And they're off and running. And the lead is taken by Specto Patronum. And moving up on the inside is Virgin Victoria. It's Specto Patronum in the lead, followed by Virgin Victoria. And moving up on the inside is Dakiri Lash. And at the mid-back stretch, still is Specto Patronum in the lead. Virgin Victoria on the outside, Dakiri Lash, Chelsea, and Valenzuela, Big Boy Bito, Seni Sibiorum. And rounding the far turn, it is still Specto Patronum in the lead, followed by Dakiri Lash, and Virgin Victoria by the rail, Chelsea, and Big Boy Bito on the outside, Valenzuela. And into the home stretch, it is still Specto Patronum in the lead, followed by Dakiri Lash. And into the home stretch and nearing the payoff line, still Specto Patronum, followed by Dakiri Lash on the outside. Nearing the payoff line, Specto Patronum, and finally Specto Patronum, Dakiri Lash. And entry number 3, Tito Jane.
Okay, it's an upset